Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to do an air fryer. We've got the chicken nibbles. So I'm going to put the chicken nibbles in the air fryer. Probably say 25 minutes. Oh, it is so wet. It is raining out here. So I'll just put them all in. Let's see and leave me not fucking stew for them. So 25 minutes until the chicken nibbles are golden. Thank you for watching how to make air fry chicken nibbles and rice, just with rice and chicken. Let's go, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running us out, bye.